This is gonna be our biggest challenge yet, so let's get at it. So a little bit of a different situation. I'm not wearing my apron. Let me explain. We're in Los Angeles, so with my book coming right around the corner, I thought, let's come out and surprise some of my friends with one of the greatest cooking live experiences right at their door. But there's a challenge. There's a million moving parts. There's a lot of things that could go wrong. We had like one day to plan this. Everything's being kind of slapped together. We bought things on Amazon. We bought things at Home Depot. We put it all together. And the goal of today is to execute this flawlessly. So let's do this, shall we?
Oh, hey.
Monsieur, we meet again.
Bonjour. I was just about to
Mon ami, your table is ready.
What? What is going on?
Hey guys, what's happening?
This is so fun. Hi, Josh.
Hello.
Okay. This is like the fanciest thing I've done in probably 6 months.
Please, sit. Please, a table.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Josh? Are you allowed to be Josh?
I don't know. Who is this?
The guy who looks just like you.
Look at you like using the props of my
I
home.
had no idea that
It's
this was here. I didn't
perfect.
know where this came from. Please, the table.
What is this? I literally just ate inside. Is that?
Hello. Please.
Oh my God, am I getting a live demo?
Oui.
I'm definitely gonna turn red from this.
I actually am pretty hungry right now, so this better be good.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, by the way.
No, bonjour.
No, bonjour. Oh, please. Bonjour.
Please, no, please. Bonjour.
Merci. Beaucoup.
Please. Do we have the music? Is it Moonbox? Okay, I begin.
It's so crazy because I did have to it. I'll just wait.
What?
Hey man, how you doing? What's gonna happen now?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Merci.
Oui, oui, and pipi. Please, can we get champagne service?
Ooh, this is the best Monday morning of my life.
This is crazy. You do this for everyone every time you come to LA?
Every day? I mean, yes.
So why are you French?
Because it's just, culinary.
Okay, now you're American again? Is everyone French?
What are you cooking up? Petite penne.
I think that's the French. It's Spanish.
What is happening? This might be the best day of my life.
Okay, we are a little bit at an angle.
Guys, I got so drunk last night that I actually passed out in my closet. What do you have to say about that, Mr. Frenchman?
Okay, what are we eating? Like beef tips or something?
Thank God I didn't eat breakfast yet.
Have you done the French thing to other people? Or this guy was French too for a second, but then he gave it up.
Oui, baguette. This is the hardest bottle of Zom I've ever had to open.
Please.
Yeah.
Dude, that stresses me out so.
My fruit.
Oh!
That was good, wee baguette.
2021 orange. Shall we get you, let me say, tipsy? Oui, baguette.
You know, I don't think I've ever had a mimosa in my life.
Cheers.
Bon appetit.
Bon apple teeth.
Are you telling me what you're making me or no?
Making it right. Omelette.
An
Du
omelette?
fromage.
It's like 4 p.m. What are you doing?
Too lazy to make breakfast this morning. Now I think it was my instinct though, I kind of knew.
You messed it up a little?
You know I don't do that, Benny.
So now you're not French anymore.
Oh, bonjour.
Bonjour.
I've broken character like 32 times already. I'm method acting.
You're pulling it off. I think it's the hat though.
It's the hat.
I take you so seriously in that hat. Look at that hat. This smells
French
actually delicious and I'm so excited right now.
Well, this is a beefy boy omelet.
Oh yes, big and beefy, just like your coq au vin. This is where we find out whether or not this table was worth the $30 we spent on it. You like that?
Oh yeah.
Juice it up for you?
I'm getting juiced up right
like
now,
that?
looking at that.
You ever seen something move like that for you?
Yeah.
Can I please have a little bit of a plate?
Oh, I'm supposed to give you the plate?
I'll take the plate.
This is really fancy over here.
Yeah. Okay, you give it a tap, and then you flip.
Oh, you're coating it? Oh my God. Oh. Oh.
Les churros French
Stop.
toast.
You're kidding me. Oh.
Bonheur, appétit. Oh, oui.
Oh,
Your dinner is served.
Merci. I still feel like I'm being pranked or something.
But please, the next course. This is just the main. We are missing one thing.
Oh my God.
What is this?
But first,
The secret to life is happiness in the asshole.
Okay.
We have dessert.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes! My new favorite cookbook.
Oh, wow. See, this guy looks like you. Oh,
You know what? I've been thinking. I'm like, why didn't he send me a copy yet? I mean, I guess I could have bought one, but I was like, I think he's probably gonna send me one.
And here we are. We came all the way out.
This is what I expected, you know?
Josh!
The whole thing's yours.
Stop. Wait, I get the equipment?
Yeah.
Yes!
Sérieusement?
There's mom, baby. This is for you.
do I take the candle too? This is insane.
You get to keep the whole damn case.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, and there's caviar in here.
4 ounces of caviar, creme
Oh
fraiche,
my
chips,
God.
truffle honey, truffle popcorn, truffle oil, something else.
Guys, swipe up.
Swipe up, click the link in bio.
Oh my god, I get snacks too? Guys, this is like Christmas.
I got Lay's.
Yeah,
Wait,
go to
Lay's Classics? I don't give a about a cookbook.
epic Fortnite moment. To celebrate. You enjoy the Perignon.
You're the man.
Gosh, you've really outdone yourself, but I do need to try this.
Yeah.
I wanted it to be so bad. I was hoping it was bad so I could on you, but it's so good.
Stop. This is actually the most delicious thing I've actually ever eaten in my life. Josh. Josh. Look. Oh.
Bonjour. And finale.
No way. This is the best day of my life.
Thank you.
Thank
I'm
you.
actually so stoked about this.
I'm stoked about you.
Thank you, brother.
I made you
I
say
appreciate it,
another
man.
Bonjour. Well, that was fun. Just a reminder, the book is coming out in less than 2 weeks. The last few months, it's been a whole $10 off on Amazon. It probably still will be. But once it's no longer on pre-order, that will probably go away. So if you haven't pre-ordered, I would recommend doing it now. And also, you know, stock levels and stuff might be a good idea. Just want to say thank you to Benny, Emma, Cody, everybody who helped on this shoot. It was a big undertaking. We were gonna do way more people. There was a longer list, and we shortened it immediately after shooting all this stuff because it was a lot of work, but it was also a lot of fun. So for those of my friends who were like, hey, what the hell, God damn it, Josh, you didn't do this for me. Why didn't you do it for me? You were probably on the list. It just got a little crazy. With that being said, you should look out for something. So if you enjoyed this video or you learned something, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to get the book. Pre-order, goddammit!